some of the good small cap mutual funds. We would like to mention here that these are not our recommendations, these are good from our point of view. So, for investment, you can do your own analysis. Okay, let us see Quant Small Cap Fund Direct Plan Growth. It has given 54% return in last year. Nippon India Small Cap Fund Direct Growth. Last year performance is 52% annual return. SBI Small Cap Fund Direct Growth 30%. ICICI Prudential Small Cap Fund Direct Plan Growth 41%.
Now, let us know some of the good large cap mutual funds. Nippon India Large Cap Fund Direct Growth. It has given 33% return in the last year. ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund Direct Growth. Last year performance is 27% annual return. Baroda BNP Paribas Large Cap Fund Direct Growth 26%. SBI Blue Chip Direct Plan Growth 22%.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment if you find this video helpful.